Hello students, in mathematics today we are going to start the chapter 2nd, addition and subtraction. So in April month we have discussed this chapter, but still we are going to discuss because the few questions are remaining. First you see, let's practice 2.1. Its question number first is add the following 5-digit numbers. So this question already we have discussed, but still I am showing the solution of this because here the simple addition is there, so you have to add it. First see the first number is point number first is 28,831 plus 71,054. So you have to add it. So how you will write this? Look here. First you write this 28,831 first number, and the second one is 71,054. So see, 1 plus 4 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 plus 7 is 9. So student, here see that there is no confusion because already we have discussed, and still if any confusion, so you message me on WhatsApp, sir, we have the confusion in this question, so I will explain and I will make a video and send you. So student, you can write these solutions from this video also. Okay, you just pause the video and write it down. So already you have written. If you have not written, then you can write. Okay, this is the question number first. Point number B, C, D, this already we discussed. Point number F, G, H, here you are seeing it is the carry. Okay, so I am writing in the box 6 plus 5 is 11 and 1 here we are writing, and 1 carry forward we are writing in the box, and this 1 plus 3 is 4 and this 4 plus 3 is 7. So here there is no carry, so that's why this box is empty, and 8 plus 7 it is 15, 1 is carry, and this then 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus this 9 is 15, so we are writing 5 here and 1 carry forwards, and again this carry 1 plus 2 it is 3, and this 3 plus 3 it is 6. So carry I am writing in the box, so you don't have any confusion. See, this is the point number H and I. Now the question number second. Here the question I have not written, you just see the question, it is given in your books, digits only are not written, and the question is same, add the following 6-digit number. Here I have written these in the question number first we have add the 5-digit number, and in question number second we are adding the 6-digit number. So here also there is no confusion, so you can write from here also, and if already you have written, then no need to write again, but it must be in your fair copy, classwork copy. A, B, C, these 3 points, and D also here solved. Here also I have chosen the boxes for writing the carry. You just pause the video and you can write if you are not written. F, G, these 2 points are here. This is the point number H and I. Now the question number 3. It is also same like the previous question. Here the 7 digits are here, so you have to add the 7. This question also already we have discussed. and you have practiced a lot in the April month. So you just practice at home now also. A, B, C, these 3 points. D, E, it is F, G, H, it is I, now the question number 4. Here how many digits are there? 8 digit number. So you have to add the 8 digit. Question you just see from your book. It is given in your book. Solution you check from here. Whatever you solve in your classwork copy, you have to check, cross check it. A, B, C, and it is D and E points. Here F and G, H and I, now the question number 4. See here the question number 5. Here the 9 digits are. So you have to add the 9 digit number. Question number 1, 2, question number 5. Only the number of digits are changing. In every question we are adding. So in your classwork copy also, clarity must be there. Okay, you check the solution must be correct. And student, you have to write the digits also in a correct way. Okay, down by down, because 2 1 8 4 9 3, so it must be okay like that in the vertical form. F, G 2 points, H and I, question number 6 also you discuss. What is here? Solve the following. So in question number 1, from question number 1 to 5, there was a equal number of digits. It means here see 2 terms are here, but the number of digits are same. Okay, but from question number 1 to 5, in both the term the number of digits were same, 5 digit, 5 digits, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, and 9 9. Here in first term how many digits are there? 9 digit, and in second one 5 digits. So how you have to add? That is also already we have discussed, but once more you have to see how you have to write. First you have to write the first number. Okay, that is, see the first number is 28 crore 89 lakh 5278, and if you are writing the second numbers, you start from the ones place, 1 0 3 4 5. So always you have to write the numbers, okay, second number from the ones place, and then you have to add it. The addition procedure is same as we have discussed from question number 1st to 5th. A and B here, point number C and D. Student, you have to write the here question also. Okay, you have to write the question from your book. Maybe already you have written, but those who are not written, they can write from here. But first you have to write the question, then solution. E and F, and this video is especially for the new student, because they already know the addition, but they will write from the here and they will cross check. G and H. Student, you know that this box I made for the carry forward. Okay, it will create the confusion, so that's why I made the box. You can also do like that. Point number I, and it is J and K. L. You just pause the video and then write. Okay, see, this question was remaining, question number 7. Okay, so that you have to, this question number 7 also you have to write in your classwork copy. Here also you have to add, but the question is different. Here in the word form it is given. So first you have to write this word form in the numeric form, then you have to add it. 14 lakh 28,347, and whenever the end sign is there, so you have to put the plus in place of this and 2 crore 36 lakh 208. So first we write the first number, it is 14 lakh 28,347, first number we have written, and second one after the addition, what is the second number? 2 crore 36 lakh 208. So in this way, first you have to write the these two number, then you have to add it. So first you write the first number, and second number you have to start from the ones place. Okay, see the second number is longer, but no confusion, you just start from the ones place. See, it is 802000632. So you just start from the ones place, and then you have to add it. 7 plus 8, it is 15. 5 carry 1 we are writing here. This carry 1 plus 4, it is 5 writing here. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 8 plus 0, it is 8. 2 plus 0, it is 2. 4 plus 6, it is 10. So 0 we are writing here, and 1 is carry forwarding, and this carry 1 plus this one is 2. 2 plus 3, it is 5, and these two STs we are writing. Okay, so it is the point number A. You just write in your class or copy. See the point number B. 69 crore 45,836, and whenever the end sign is there, you have to change the number, that is after the end second number is there. 68 lakh 29,476. So this is the first number, it is second number, and same as it is both the number we are writing here, and we are adding this number. So what is the change in this question? In the previous question directly digit were given, here what is given? Word problem is given. So first we have to change this word problem into numbers, and already I explained how we have to change that word problem into numbers. Okay, first you have to make the 3 columns, that is ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, then lakh, then crore. Okay, and whatever it is written, it is crore, it is thousand, and this is the ones, tens, and hundred. So 69 crore. So in the crore we will write the 69, then 45,000. So in thousand what we will write? 45, and 836. So in last we will write 836, and in lakh there is no digit, so we will write 00. Okay, next 68 lakh. So we are writing this 68 in the lakh. 68 29,476. So it is 476. Then you have to add it. So student, this is also simple. Okay, already explained, but still okay, here also word problem is given. So you have to write for this word problem. Here end is there, so after the end the number will change. It is 12,88,406, first number. Second one is 28,981, it is second one. So student, you have to solve this question. If you have any confusion, then you message me. This is already done, I explained, but the writing portion were remaining. D point 28 crore. So in crore we will write 28. This is the 28. After this crore, what is there? 439. Directly 430. So in lakh and thousand we will put 00. Okay, that's why I am making this column, so it will not create the confusion. Then 99 lakhs. So in 9 we will write 99. Then 99,000, 99,999. So 999. And after writing this numeric form, you have to add it. Point number E. And we always circle, so it will Okay, indicate that we are changing the number. 8 crore 18 lakh, 8 crore 18 lakh, 8 crores. In crore we will write 8, in lakh we will write 18, and thousand what we will write 28. So it is 28, and 838. So it is 838. Second one, in lakh we will write 2, so 2 lakh. 99,000. After the 99,000 there is nothing, so you have to write 0, 0 and 0. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, I think now it is over that. Okay, so students, you have to write from this video. Okay, 2.1 it is completed already, I explained, but those who are not writing, they can write from this video. If you have any confusion, so you message me, I will explain again. Okay student, thank you very much.